Welcome back to another quick tutorial about Windows PC, and in this video I will show you how to change your folder icon on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do, like for instance, I'm going to use this particular folder right here. So I'm going to click on the folder. Next thing you want to do is to right click on the folder. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you look for properties. So click on properties right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and navigate to customized. Under customize, go ahead and come down below right here, change icon. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select any icon of your choice right here. So I can decide to use this padlock icon right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on OK. So you can see right here, hit on apply, then hit on OK, just like so. Now we have the new folder icons right here. You can use this method to change all folders icon as many as possible on your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.